In this video, we will see various data wrangling features in the model. When we acquire the data and when we try to create the data, means we can manipulate our data based on our requirement. There may be some type of data which is not in the correct format. We wanted to split some columns, we wanted to extract some data, then that type of functions or operations we can perform on the data. So I have created just this model. I have just imported one Excel file in while creating the model, and we will see how what are the different. So when we get this model, we can see when we click on this any of the options, any of the columns, we can see there is an options. We can either replace some value with some other, but there is another option which is create transform, where we can see concatenate, split, extract, replace, and change. So when we say concatenate, means we can concatenate two columns. Suppose we wanted to create one a separate column which says state and city. I wanted to concatenate, and we wanted to put some put some character in between those. So that we can do with this type of. So you can see means another column which is got created here, and which says state and city and state name is has been concatenated, and you can see means there are different addresses like phone number or street number, state, city. This will be storing in the separate columns. Then that columns we can combine in a single column. So that for that we can use these concatenate options. Then we can see some other transforms as well, where we can see split. So suppose we wanted to split something which is we can say that we have some call data which is coming in a concatenated way in the data. Then we can split this column with the help of some characters. So we can split with this delimiter, which is a comma. In this column, we wanted to split with this city, and if you wanted to repeat, like means suppose this is repeat 1 2, means we wanted to repeat 3, means wanted to create 4. Suppose there are 4 commas, 4 values which is there, which is separated by comma. Then we can see like this. Now suppose I will show you how this works. Now suppose I have another value which is here. I wanted to replace this with value with this one, Nevada, and I'm some other country and some number. So this is what I am going to replace. Now you can see means this values has been replaced with this, and now we wanted to apply the transform function which will split based on this column comma operator. Now we can say split with the help of comma. You can see first word before the comma comes in the second, and if you wanted to apply in multiple columns, like let's say means we have 3, or let's say 2, then second will come after this, here you can see means 3. If you say 3, then test country and 1 2 3 has been splitted out. Like this we can see this has been applied here. So this way we can split out these column values which can be extracted, and we can put it in a separate columns as well. So this is also can be a requirement where we need to do this. Let's see the other options, which is extract. So now if you have some columns which you just wanted to extract some value, the other feature is about extract, where we can extract. Suppose we wanted to extract after space from stative 1 after first occurrence of, where we can say extract number or extract word after, or we can give some other operators here, after, before, between, containing, equal to, first occurrence, first or last occurrence of space. Now we wanted to split for the space, then we can do this. You can see means once we do this, you can see after the first space, or after the first occurrence of the space, whatever the word it is there, we can get it. We can make it as before as well, means before the space as well we can extend the word, and suppose there is no word, then we can get this as well. So this is what we can do it. Now the other transform is about replace is just we wanted to replace something. So replace matching value. Suppose if there is a blank value which you wanted to replace with something which is saying as null. If there is a space, then we can replace it with the null values. like this. Now the other one is change. So this is also just a change of uppercase to lowercase. We can make it as lowercase or uppercase or title case as well. So this is also useful when we wanted to present our data in a formatted way. We can do this. These are the some of the transform. Now there are other options as well here which says remove duplicates as well. Suppose if there are duplicate rows, then we can duplicate these rows as well if there are any duplicate rows. So it will show up what are the duplicate rows has been there. So these are the some of the options which are available. So these are the some of the options available for the transformation of the data wrangling, and this is useful when we have large number of data and which comes in a different formatted ways, and we wanted to have some specific type of data for our story build. So that's it from this video. I hope you have understood this. If you have any question, then please do let me know in comment section. If you like my video, then please like it and subscribe to my channel as well. Thank you for watching.